Before full site editing, widgets were how you added a search box, a list of recent posts, or a category cloud to your sidebar or footer, and on classic themes, they still are. The real, live widget management screen for this exact theme, a real search widget, recent posts, and categories widget already placed. The real, live front-end result, a genuinely working search box, and a live, auto-updating list of recent posts, both now visible to every real visitor. The real posts, the recent posts widget is genuinely pulling from live data, not a static snapshot. Widget areas are theme-defined. A different active theme here would genuinely offer different or zero widget areas. Many themes also expose the exact same real widget areas here inside the Live Preview Customizer as an alternative to the dedicated widgets screen. The real categories, the categories widget is genuinely listing another example of a widget reflecting real, live site data. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mockup. A real, working search box and a real, auto-updating list of recent posts both genuinely live for every visitor. Try it yourself. Run WP sidebar list on your own site to see what real widget areas your theme provides.